welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look for you guys today, and like I can't believe Valentine's Day is in 2 weeks, so I decided to do kind of a soft romantic like sultry makeup look. As you all can see, I decided to keep the skin a little bit dewy, you know, because for me I feel like something soft and neutral and sultry really make a very good Valentine's Day look. So I decided to keep the skin really kind of dewy, and also with the lips, the eyes. The eyes is actually very simple. I decided to do kind of a glitter cut crease with, you know, a glossy lip. And of course my hair, because I know a lot of you guys are gonna ask about this hair. Like, can you guys see the curls on this hair? Like, it's popping, it's popping. And this hair is actually from E.Y.E.B.R.O.W hair, and I have here their Brazilian deep wave in. I received 4 bundles of their 26 inches, 124, 120 and an 18-inch matching lace frontal. But you guys, I ended up using like 2 bundles of the hair and the frontal. So you guys, this is like 2 bundles and a frontal, and this hair is like full to the brim, as you all can see. Like, when I wore this hair I was like, hold on, is this really 2 bundles, you know, and a frontal? Because it came out really full, and it just made me wonder how 4 bundles would have looked, you know. So I'm so glad that I ended up using 2 bundles and a frontal. And I'm really loving the curl pattern on this hair, you guys. It's not like too small, it's not too big, it's just perfect. And I feel like this right here, you know, makes a very beautiful Valentine's Day look. There's just something about curly hair that like ties the whole look when we're talking about Valentine's Day look. So I decided to wear this hair right here, and of course I received it as bundles, and I decided to, you know, make them into a wig. So yes, this hair is popping, you guys. I'm definitely gonna leave every info you need regarding this hair in my description box, so you guys can go and check out E.Y.E.B.R.O.W hair, because this right here is one of my favorite curly hair right now because of the curl pattern. Like, it's not too big, not too small, it's just perfect. Yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed this you know, Valentine's Day inspired makeup look, and don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and get started. So we all know Valentine's Day is in 2 weeks time, so we're about to get ourselves glammed for the occasion, and the very first thing I'm going to go ahead and do will be to apply an eyeshadow primer, and I'm using E.Y.E.B.R.O.W HD primer. And if you don't use eyeshadow primers, definitely try it, because it helps a lot in, you know, making your eyeshadow last all throughout the day, and also helps with the longevity, and like it kind of makes your shadows, you know, pop whenever you use it. Okay, so the eyeshadow palette we're going to be using for today's tutorial is this eyeshadow palette right here, and this is the Hudabeauty Warm Brown eyeshadow palette. And you guys, like, I'm literally obsessed with this palette, because as you all can see, it has a lot of like warm neutral matte shadows, and the very first shadow I'm going to go ahead and use is this one right here, and it's kind of a warm brown eyeshadow, and this is going to serve as our transitional shade. And transitional shades help a lot in making the other shadows you're going to use, you know, let that blend and flow flawlessly. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and it's kind of a darker brown color, and I will pop it right on the place where I applied my transitional shade. I'm just kind of diffusing all the colors. We're packing all warm browns and browns for this look. So the next shadow I'm going in with is this kind of reddish brown right here. Always remember to go in and blend. I'm going to pick up these 2 shades right here, and apply it right on my crease. With this one, I'm kind of taking it outside the tail of my brows. I know this is looking all messy right now, but I'm going to go in with my blending brush and blend out all these harsh lines on my eyes. Alright, so it's now time to cut my crease. This is looking all crazy. And I'm using my Maybelline Edge Rewind Concealer. I like to deposit it at the back of my palm. I like to go in with kind of a small flat brush, and then pick up the concealer and gradually start using it to like clean up my lid. Whenever I do cut crease, like, I always need absolute concentration, because any little mistake, that's it. So I like to just go in and begin, you know, like cutting my crease. Alright, so once we've gotten it to look this way, I'm going to go in with this flat brush right here, and from the same palette I'll pick up this eyeshadow right here, and it's a matte shadow. I will begin applying it all over my lid. So I'm going to use this wipe and clean up the outer portion of my eyes. I'm going to line my waterline with Tarte Double Take eyeliner. So this pencil comes with two sides, and this side is a liquid liner. So I'm going to use this side to create a very nice winged liner. So before applying fake lashes, I love to go ahead and apply mascara on my natural lashes just to tame it and just keep it in place before we then apply our falsies. So I'm going to add a glitter liner to this look, and I'm using NYX Liquid Crystal in Crystal Gold, and we're simply just going to pop it right on this area, like the line where we created the cut crease. So I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes, and I'm using Lash Bonnie Boutique lashes in Love Whisper. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead now and highlight my face, and I'm using Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Deep Tan and Deep Golden. I'm going to set my concealer with Airspun Loose Powder. So to set my whole entire face, I'm going to be using my Smashbox Halo Hydrating Perfecting Powder. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up my eyes, and I'm using these two shadows right here, and I will pop it right on my under eye and also apply mascara. I'm going to go ahead and contour with MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest. And for blush, I'm going to be using my E.Y.E.B.R.O.W blush palette, and I will pick up this shade right here. Always remember to go in with your powder brush if you feel like you applied too much. So I'm going to highlight my face, and I'm using Makeup Addiction Bronzified Highlight. Alright, so for my lips, I'm going to line with NYX Mahogany Lip Liner. And this lip liner is almost running out, you guys. It's like, look. For lipstick, I'm using one of my favorite MAC lipsticks, and this one is called Angel. So to top it off, I'm going to be using Motif Cosmetics Rock Candy Lip Gloss. Okay, so our makeup is done, and I'm going to go ahead and apply my wig. And the wig we're using today is this new bombshell wig, and I received this as bundles, but I made them into a wig. As you all can see, like, this is so cute, very full and fluffy. So this is the wig we're going to be using today. I'm going to go ahead and, you know, remove the one I have on right here, because what I have here is a wig. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it, and then we'll apply our Valentine's Day hair. Okay, so now I'm going to apply my Got to Be Glued gel, and this is going to help the wig, you know, stick onto my hair. And I like to apply it right on my hairline. Like, I don't like applying it on my baby hair because it's going to, you know, like, drag my baby hair. So I like to apply it right on my hairline. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig. Just drag it, and I like to just drag it and put it right on the glue. So once I've positioned it exactly where I want it to lay, I'm going to go ahead with my hairband and just tie it down. I'm going to leave it on for like 3-5 minutes and then we're going to take it out.